In this short tutorial video, let's learn how to log in to your Wells Fargo online banking. If you are an existing customer of Wells Fargo and if you have signed up for the online banking service of Wells Fargo, let me show you how you can log into it. Now either you can use the mobile app of Wells Fargo, but for this video we're going to use the website. It's pretty much going to be the same process or the same steps, so let's get right into the video. Open up your web browser and search for wellsfargo.com, and it's going to take you to the official website of Wells Fargo, which will look something like this. Now on the left hand side of the screen, you will see this login box. You just need to type in your details right here, and then you'll be immediately logged in. If you don't see this login box here, you can also click on the sign on button on the top right. First of all, type in your username on the first box, and then type in the password that you created while signing up for online banking of Wells Fargo. If you don't remember either your username or the password, you can click on the forgot username or password option that you see on the bottom. And through this section, you can type in your social security number or your tax ID number and follow the steps to successfully recover the password of your online banking. Now, if the details that you entered are correct, you can click on sign on and you'll be successfully logged in or signed in to your online banking service of Wells Fargo. You can also click on this save username option. So this way you won't need to type in your username each time you visit this website. So that was a quick video on how to log in to your Wells Fargo online banking. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.